Hello again, my name is James, and today we're going to talk about route optimization. Route optimization is an easy way for you to save money and decrease your overall spend per job. Now, once you have all of your jobs scheduled and your crews set up properly on those jobs, then you can fully utilize route optimization. Once you get into your Lawn Buddy app, you'll be able to see that there's a route optimization button at the very top right-hand corner. We'll click on that. From here, you can see either a list view or a map view of all the jobs for the day in the order that's been either recommended or the order that you already edited those jobs to be in. You can also change what crew you're looking at the click of a button. Once you've selected the crew that you'd like to see and edit, you can see that there's 4 jobs on this route. You can refresh the route, which will essentially start the route over. It'll run through Google to get an additional recommended route with any new jobs that you've recently added in. Or you can edit the route from here. In editing the route, there's plenty of data points for you to mess with. For example, you can edit the starting and ending points, either for now or for now and the future. You can also edit the order of the jobs however you'd like to do that. You can remove jobs from the route or add them back in as needed. Once you hit save, not only does that route save on your list, but it also goes out to the lawn crew for them to be able to view the new route the moment that it's updated on your side. If you need additional training for you or any of your crew members on how to utilize the Crew app, including route optimization, please click the link below and I'm happy to help with that. Thanks for watching.